Sesame seeds, I've coated it halfway only, and I've just sprinkled some toasted sesame seeds on the top.
I made two kinds of truffles. First has Parle-G base and the second has the classic cocoa powder base. Parle-G Truffles recipe is no baking, no cooking. It's so simple that your lazy husband and even milk-fed baby could make it. Just kidding. Call it Parle-G magic. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon.
Truffle, this is classic cocoa coated truffle. Sesame seeds, I've coated it halfway only, and I've just sprinkled some toasted sesame seeds on the top. This one is the full coated toasted sesame seed truffle. Now guess, what is this?
This is Grind Parle-G and Mexi.
This one is, I just powdered gajak in mixie and I coated with that powdered gajak truffle and desiccated coconut truffle.